Jupre Andayan. Hello mga anak. Kablawan kayo ti naragsak then kayo pinagkalaysa. Kit nga rod ti lasod ti 5 katawin ngayon kayo pinagdinna hanggang nagdaan kayo iti maysa nga anak kit naragsak ken kapya kayo metlata. Kit sapay kuma tano balpas to, ti kasaryo, at patpatinayon to, latta kuma iti hinaragsak ti pamilyayo. Happy wedding, mga anak. And also, may mahal naming apo, Margo, I love you.
Marriage is not easy, but with the right person, it sure will be fun. I'm sending you all the best wishes to both of you, and today is the beginning of happily ever after. You deserve it, Cass, and more babies to come.
Hello, Ate Dayan and Kuya Joffrey. Congratulations on your upcoming wedding. I'm really happy for the both of you. It's because after all these years, after all your struggles, your two hearts will be together as one. All I can say is no mountain is too high to climb if you climb it together. So you two continue to love unconditionally and build a happy and joyous life together with Margo. I love you guys both. Take good care of each other. Bye. See you.
Hi, Ate and Kuya. Congratulations on your wedding day and best wishes you as a new married couple. Kung may problema kayo, nandito lang ako, si Mama, si Papa, si Kuya. And dito lang kami palagi sa inyo and lagi lang kayong mag-pray. And sorry kasi hindi kami nakapunta but I hope soon. And hi Margo, baby, we miss you and I hope to see you soon and we love you. Welcome to the family, Ate Dayan. Best wishes.
Hello, Joffrey and Dayan. Happy wedding sa inyo, anak ko. Ore kami nakaumay ita. Kit naragsak kami lata, anak ko. Kit happy wedding lata kanya yun, anak ko. Kit Margo, I love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, lahat ninong po. Happy wedding po and I miss you po.
Hello, Ading and Tol. Happy wedding. Good luck sa new journey nyo. Wishing you endless love, happiness, and crazy adventure together.
Hello mga ading. Happy wedding. Wishing you all the best. Welcome to married life. Stay blessed and hope to see you soon. We miss you. Bye.
Bye, Margo.
Hello, best. Eto na to. Congrats sa inyong dalawa ni Jeff. This is it, Mr. and Mrs. Cobita. Wish ko lang napakamamarin nyo ang bawat isa, gawing sentro sa papagat sa inyong relasyon, at alagaan nyo ang bawat isa, lalong-lalo na si Baby Margo, at bigyan niya na siya ng kasunod, bigyan niya ng adik. I-enjoy nyo ang araw na ito. Best wishes, love you both.
Hello, Dayan and Joffrey. Congrats nga pala sa inyong dalawa. Masaya ko na natuloy na ang inyong kasal. Pwede na uli sundan si Margo. Isa pa.
Congrats Ate Dayan tsaka kay Joffrey. Sana maging masaya po kayo sa araw na kayo kasal. At sana po makagalap na tayo nila kaya Dennis ang kasama din po. Congrats po ulit.
Thank you.
Congrats Ninang. Nina. Hi Margo.
Hi, Margo.
Sabi mo, hi Margo.
Hi, Margo.
Congrats.
Congrats po.
Congrats Ninang.
Hi, Mami Dayan. Ate Jeff. Happy wedding day. Congratulations. Love you. Hi, Mami Ninang Dayan and Daddy Ninong Jeff. Congratulations on your wedding day. I wish you all happiness and more babies. We love you.
Hi Ate Dayan and Kuya Jeff, congratulations on your wedding day. Finally, natupad na din yung wish mo, wish natin lahat na matuloy na yung kasal nyo. Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. Hope to see you soon. We love you. Hello! Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Lalo na sa inyong dalawa. Congratulations and best wishes sa inyong dalawa.
Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Happy wedding!